Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back friends. Today we're doing a plan with me in my Erin Condren Daily Petite Planner. I'm going to be planning for the week of Monday, November the 30th through Sunday, December the 6th. This week, I'm actually using two color schemes because it transitions from one month to another. So it's blue on Monday, and then it starts with a green for the December month. I normally do a flip through of the prior week so you get a sense of my style. Yeah, I did not decorate this prior week. So I'll show you actually 2 weeks back in my planner just so you get an idea of my planning scheme. This is the week of Monday, November the 16th. I did a unicorn pastel color theme because it was my daughter's birthday week. And this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in my planner. The following week, I did not decorate. I had way too much going on with picking her up from college, getting ready for Thanksgiving and all of that. So I'm back to my regular routine by planning for this week and decorating and all of that. Okay, so for this week's spread, I'm going to be using the Happy Planner Color Story sticker book, and I'm going to use stickers from one of the floral collections in this book. It actually looks like this. I've used some of the stickers in the past, so some are a bit missing, but I have enough here, I think, to make this week's spread work, and it's perfect because it has blue and green themes here, so it will work with both of the color schemes. I'm going to start off by putting in my script stickers first, and I keep those in my Planner Kate sticker book. Okay, so now all of my script stickers are in place. Normally I would just transition to the next thing, but I haven't explained in a while how I actually set up my script stickers. So I thought for those that are new to my channel and to my daily petite planning scheme, I just wanted to give a little insight and explanation as for why I set up things the way that I do. Every day of the week I have a today section, and in this section I basically include all of my special events and very important things to do. I also note here whether I'm working from home or taking the day off, or just what my status is. If it's a holiday, anything significant about that day goes in this particular box. It's static. It always stays the same day after day, week after week. The second set of boxes, as you will see, actually change throughout the week. So I have a to call box, which basically includes anyone and regarding anything that I need to make a call about that week goes into this to call box. It's not just for Monday, it's for the entire week. And that also is the case for my to clean box, as well as my me time, upload, and to buy sections. And those are all about things that I need to capture for that or complete for that particular week in each of those categories. So that can change from time to time. Sometimes I'll label this my film box, upload. Normally this is like a social media themed box here or section. My me time pretty much stays the same week to week, but it has changed over time. If you've been watching my videos throughout the year, you'll know that these boxes do change periodically depending on what my needs are. And then last but not least, the bottom boxes also change, but they're also still pretty static. I started a while back with setting up goals for the week, and I was doing that in this section at one point when I was actually capturing my work items in my planner. But now that I've transitioned to a separate work planner, I use this third box now to capture my goals for the week on Mondays. And this is, as I said, not just for Monday, but for the entire week. Also, don't forget, it's just another section where I can capture notes or things that I need to get done, no particular day of the week, but I just don't want to forget to get them completed. Or if it's important information that I need to store or keep somewhere, I try to keep it in this section. My planner time section is also one that pretty much stays the same. It may shift in terms of the section or the page or the day that I keep it in, but each week I try to have a planner time section, and in this section I capture all of my different planners because yes, I use more than one planner for more than one purpose, and I just want to make sure that I get all of my planners completed for that week, or as many as possible, because sometimes I just don't have time for all of them, but I like to try to capture that here. Also, another don't forget box or section for Wednesday, Thursday, or later in the week when I may have additional information that I want to make sure I don't forget. The to-do section, as you can see, is Monday through Friday. It stays the same. I just basically label my check boxes, and these lists are fluid. There can be things that transfer from day to day if I don't get them completed, and or I can start off with a completely different list every day. And then there are some things that I consider my habits. I don't do habit tracking because I just can't keep up with checking off every day if I get something done. So I list those items out visually every day to get accomplished. They don't typically change unless I have a day off or something changes with my schedule, but it just allows me to be able to make sure that I'm getting those things done. And I know a lot of people say this, but I think it's very true, and it's probably the reason I've been planning most of my life. There's just something special and extra about writing things down that allows you to get them done or be more motivated to get them done. The things that I like to make habits, I tend to like writing them actually day after day after day because it gets it into my head that that's my routine and that's my structure and schedule for my days. So that explains a little bit more of that. And then Friday, I have my today section, a to buy section. This is for the entire week. I've switched it to Fridays more recently because Fridays tend to be my paydays and or days when I'm going into the weekend and planning to do shopping or groceries or all those things like that. And then next week is obviously a section where I want to think about things that I need to get accomplished for the next week. Saturday, Sunday, as you can see, I don't have any script stickers for my weekends, typically because these are a given that they're the to-dos, and then these sections are either used for more note-taking space and or decorations depending on what my decor and my planner for that week entails. So now that you have a little bit more background in terms of how I set up my different sections, if you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will try to respond to every single one of them. I want to get to the fun part, and that is the decorating. Starting back on Monday and Tuesday, we're going to start off with Monday using this blue theme, and I saw a sticker right away that I wanted to use. So I love this beautiful blue floral. I'm going to use that to actually cover up the calendar. I don't use the calendar for any functional purpose, so I typically cover it up. That is pretty much going to be my decor for Monday, Tuesday. I think I also want to do a set of boxes on this side. so now we have Monday, Tuesday pretty much complete. Let me see if I have appointments that need boxes for Monday, Tuesday, and then I'll put in my scales and steps and work from home stickers, and I'll be done. And that is Monday, Tuesday. As you can see, I've put in my scales to capture my weight for the week. I've also put in steps for my steps for the week. And I have to be honest, I don't always remember to go back and add them, but I do try to keep that here just so that I can go back and look at my progress in terms of exercise and all of that throughout the year. My boxes for my appointments, I'm working from home both days, and a little bit of decor to make things nice. I like the way Monday, Tuesday turned out, and I'm flipping now to Wednesday, Thursday. So for Wednesday, Thursday, I'm going to be using this really pretty sticker on this page. Now we're going to add a few little dots over this side too. And I just have some left over from an old kit. And that is going to be Wednesday, Thursday now. And I pulled these stickers actually from the journaling doodle sticker book just because I didn't have any others that really went with the theme here, and I didn't want to get too crazy with my colors. I do like the florals, and now I'm going to add in boxes and work from home stickers, scales, all the extra things I need to finish off my page. That is Wednesday, Thursday. I've used more of a purple and gold theme here and florals. I like the way that this one turned out as well. Now we're going to flip to the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I know right off the bat that I said I would like to use these brighter florals for the weekend days. They actually remind me of the holidays. This is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm going to add my work from home sticker for Friday, my scales and steps, and I will be done with this week. I will say right off the bat that this one is a little bit busier than I anticipated and maybe than I wanted, but it does serve its purpose. So I'm going to go back and flip through Monday through Sunday so you can see how this week turned out. So this is Monday, Tuesday, a blue theme, and then a blue and green kind of theme. Then Wednesday, Thursday was more of a gold and purple and green theme. And a little mint, hint of mint. And then the weekend, I tried to pull in more reds and pinks and golds as well. It's very colorful and very festive. A good transition, I think, into the holiday season. I do want to see maybe some of my other spreads throughout this month a little more cohesive. But one of the things you'll learn as you follow my channel is that I'm a big fan of using what you have. So rather than running out and getting all the things, and there are plenty of new things coming out with the holiday season right now, and I really wanted to focus on kind of using up what I have. And you'd be surprised when you really try to focus on doing that, how you can pull together your scraps from prior kits and books and everything that you already have in your stash. I hope this video was a little bit inspiring if you're a Daily Petite planner. If you use the Daily Petite planner, let me know in the comments below whether you like to use a lot of stickers or a very little stickers in your planner. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll always be informed when we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!